For over 40 years, Tyco has been at the forefront of fire detection systems, and through its research and product innovation has helped save both lives and businesses around the world. This innovation continues with the launch of the 850 EMT engineering management tool. Historically, installing and commissioning fire detection systems has been complex and time-consuming. Often, a system will require two engineers, one at the controller and the other with the detector. Operator error at the commissioning stage can add time and cost to many installations, and print-based documentation and installation records can be cumbersome, ineffective, and sometimes incomplete. The 850 EMT revolutionizes the installation and commissioning of systems, bringing greater efficiency, cost savings, and health and safety improvements. Using infrared technology, the tool interacts remotely with the new 850 and 830 series detectors. At the start of commissioning, the site system details are downloaded to both the control panel and the 850 EMT. The engineer selects the correct detector for the location, then simply points the tool at the detector to make it operational. In the same way, engineers can also instantly retrieve all the relevant information required by pointing the engineering management tool at the detector, eliminating the need for costly scaffolding and reducing the risk of accidents. To ensure that only competent personnel make changes to this most important life safety system, the 850 EMT requires all users to sign in and maintains a digital record of who is working on the system. During commissioning, each detector remotely communicates with the 850 EMT, providing all the data an engineer would normally see at the control panel. The engineer can confirm or amend the details, and the information is then relayed to the panel, updating records automatically and saving hours of checking time. All detectors are configured on-site rather than in advance, so costly errors in the positioning of detectors are eliminated. Dynamic tests for optical, heat and carbon monoxide are all logged on the engineering management tool and control panel simultaneously. Wiring polarity errors can also be spotted immediately, saving hours of wasted trips back to the panel. The 850 EMT offers unrivaled paper-free digital record keeping, freeing engineers from the burden of time-consuming paperwork and allowing them to focus more fully on their core areas of expertise. Minor changes to the system are exactly that, involving simple use of the tool with no form filling, ensuring a much faster turnaround of the commissioning process. The tool also creates a full audit trail of changes to the system. For legal compliance and absolute peace of mind, evidence-based checks are also made significantly easier using the tool. After commissioning, the system retains a complete digital operator's manual with independent test certificates for each system component. This, together with the commissioning checklist, is all stored in a single, easily accessible file, eliminating the documentation paper chase often seen after commissioning a system. Once a system has been commissioned, the 850 EMT has ongoing site management capability. The tool can be used to help record annual service checks, again documenting in detail when each detector was tested and by which engineer. This information can be shared with customers when discussing planned maintenance requirements. The 850 Engineering Management Tool simplifies installation and commissioning, reduces the possibility of engineer error, improves health and safety by removing the need for working at height, and provides complete peace of mind through evidence-based digital reporting, all leading to greater efficiencies, greater cost savings, and improved safety for users. Revolutionize your installation, commissioning, and service processes with the 850 Engineering Management Tool.